Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can display your name on lock screen in the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if we want to display our name on lock screen, we need to go to the setting. This is my setting and I'm going to open it, and we're going to go to the modes and routines. I'm going to create modes with my name, so this mode will be displayed on my lock screen. I'm going to add new mode, click on add mode, and then I'm just going to name the mode with my name, just like that. And you can choose the color that you want to apply to the mode, and I'm going to choose this purple color. And for the icon, I'm going to choose this one, diamond icon, and click on done. And after that, I'm just going to turn on my mode. Okay, and this mode will be displayed on my lock screen. Wait, I'm going to lock my screen. Okay, and as you can see guys, that my name has been displayed on my lock screen. Alright guys, and that's all the way to display our name on lock screen in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.